Today I'm going to show you how to submit the answer to your Focus on Writing assignment that you have previously received. All assignments for Focus on Writing will be turned in this way, so it's necessary that you learn how to do it properly. First thing you have to do is log into Moodle. And go to the U.S. History page. At the U.S. History page, we'll come to Focus on Writing, Chapter 1-2. We're assuming, of course, that you've already read Chapter 1-2. And since you received this assignment yesterday, we're assuming that you've already looked at it, that you remember that there was one attempt allowed. It's very important that you understand that there's only one attempt allowed, so they ask you twice. You've opened the attempt, and you've looked at the question and the directions. The question, what you were to write on, was pick two different Native American groups from two different culture areas. Write an essay comparing, which are the similarities, and contrasting differences, these two societies. And you looked at all the directions about using correct punctuation, spelling, and grammar, writing several paragraphs, that the turn-in box will hold 40 lines, that I wanted you to write in Times New Roman 12, and that due to size limits in the turn-in box, you had to single-space these assignments. And you also found out yesterday that I wanted you to write the response in a Word document. And so you should have already done that. Your response should be all ready and in a Word document, ready to move it into this document and to submit it. The point of that was that if you start writing this assignment in this box below, right here, if you started writing blah, blah, blah right here, and the bell suddenly rang and you had to leave, you'd lose it. And when you reopened it, that's what would be there, nothing. So you've already written your assignment and you have very carefully saved it. So let's go and find where we've very carefully written the answer. You always need to know where you saved, by the way. And I will find my answer for my test student is right here. Okay, so we will copy, and you can highlight and hit copy, or you could use Control-C. Either one will work at this point. But as soon as you've highlighted it and you've told it to copy, you can tell it to go away. And then we'll go down to the turn-in box. Now, let's make sure that we can see the directions as well. It says you insert your copied Word document into the box below where your summary goes by clicking on the Word symbol below. See the Word symbol with the W? It says paste from Word. When you hover the cursor over it, click on that. It gives us a box. Now it says use Control-V on your keyboard to paste the text into the window. So we'll click on Control-V and look, there's the answer. You click on Insert, but don't think that you're finished. If you were to just leave right now, you would be turning in an empty box. There'd be nothing in it. You have to scroll down to the bottom and click on Next. And then you click on Submit All and Finish. And again, it's like, are you sure? And you say, yes, I'm sure. Submit All and Finish. Then you go back and you scroll down and look, there your answer is in the box. Right over here on the left it says Finish Review. Click on that. Takes you back where it says no more attempts are allowed, but that your assignment is finished, it's submitted. And then you can go back to the course.